Welcome back to Wrap Your Ride, everybody. We're up to our standard shenanigans here, so I'm going to show you a little bit of what we have in the shop today. Of course, we have this beautiful McLaren 720S in for a full matte PPF protection. That purple is going to look insane under that matte PPF. Super cool interior. Also, it is a spider as well. There's my lovely reflection for you. But we have this awesome matte truck we're doing. Also, the star of the show truly is the Prius with the Autobots logo. But look at that blue iridescent wrap. How cool is that? And then the Porsche Panamera Turbo S with the Virgin Guadalupe. Obviously, classic Wrap Your Ride shenanigans, but with that beautiful stripe as well on that chalk factory paint. Just gorgeous. And we're gonna get some shots of that, just some walk arounds as well for it. But this is kind of what we get up to on a daily basis at Wrap Your Ride. This Panamera Turbo S turned out amazing. That chalk gray paint with the stripes added by Wrap Your Ride. I love the wheels. And of course the owners are having some fun with each other. So we put on the Virgin Guadalupe. They have a little inside joke, which of course we are always happy to play along with at Wrap Your Ride. But check out this gorgeous red interior. 2022 Panamera Turbo S. Gorgeous red interior. Everything decked out as it should. Take a look at the back here. Just beautiful car. And like I mentioned before, they do offer interior protection as well. Love that center console too. And here's our plane shot. I think we got it. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below what you want to see in the future.